It's a frosty top day today. She's a little bit on the chilly side. I'll just reverse it straight back, alright. Frosty toppies. Get after it, boys. Alright, boys. How long do we reckon then, chaps?
2 hours at most. We'll clear up. Don't know how to grind it though. By 12.
25 minutes. Depends how much that saw cuts out, really. God, everything's frozen, isn't it? Right, yeah, I reckon 25 minutes from the first cut.
9 o'clock. 2 minutes past. See what we got.
Right, here we go. Blap, blap, blap. Ah, bloody thing cuts out all the time. What a lovely day. Look at that sunshine kissing those trees off. Dogs are that big! Free shot! Oh, no good. Come, Palmer. That is venom. That is venom. Bully the boss now. I've had enough of it. Snowdrops on these branches. So it's something. Maybe like 20 minutes, a little ambitious given the minimum drop zone. Oh, slippy, slippy. proper flaky snow. That's well nice, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Stunning.
Nice. Bit of sun now as well.
Yeah, it's just, look, it's all dropping off now. Give it an hour, that'll all be gone. We've got plenty of battery in the tank as well, so. Okay. Might be worth swapping the chain on that 200. It's a little bit blunt. Yeah. Should be on the tops of the boxes. Oh my god. Oh my lord. This is actually quite big to be starting at half 11. Never mind. I'll see what I can get down. Right. Here we go then. I hate getting off ladders onto spikes. It's like the most disgusting thing. Because you feel like you're so secure on a ladder and then you... Okay. Car, should have had a Brook delivery, shouldn't we? She's down the road. We missed the trick there. Yeah. Get yourself that teeth inch. Go and get it, get it. Phone call time. Finch, would you be able to throw on the rigging line? And possibly the rigging line should be down there. And I don't know if that that big sling thing's in there. The green looking sling thing. I'll just yank it. What am I doing? Right? Is that heavy? So much. Chuck that block on if you want. I reckon we'll be well alright. It's on Alf if it goes wrong. He's encouraging me. He's getting that dog out of me. He just wants to see the world burn. Right, I'll do some riggy now, I think. Oh my god, she is smoking. Yeah, please, mate. Right. He's lying! Bloody hell. Slowest ascent in history. Yep. Yeah, I've had a week off. Cheers. Oh, that's gonna be spicy. Yep, she's a cool mutt. She's rigging. Ah, get off it. You dog. Oh, mate. What am I doing? How's your rigging? How's your rigging? Right. Look at that. What do you know about a bit of rope in there? Very good. Oh, hang on it. Hang on. Whoa. Don't put that in when you've got the rigging line. Know about roping. Go on the Finch. He'll run it, he don't care. Put it. Oh, what do you know? See you later. What do you reckon?